everybody, this is Judy at Judi in the Kitchen. Today we're going to make some simple steamed green beans. I have about a pound of fresh green beans that I have washed and trimmed and cut up into bite-sized pieces. And I have a large pot here that I'm starting to heat up. There's a steamer basket in there and there is some water in there as well. And so you just want to bring that to a boil. My water is boiling and so in goes the green beans. I'm going to cover this, and you want to allow it to steam anywhere from 3 to 7 minutes depending upon how tender you want your green beans. I'm going to set my timer for 5 minutes because I think that's going to be about right for me. I'm going to turn the heat down just a little bit, but we do want to keep it at a good boil the whole way. Keep the lid on there unless you want to give them a poke with a fork and just test them for tenderness. And as soon as they are as tender as you want them to be, you want to remove them from the heat and put them in your serving bowl. My timer has gone off. It's been right at 5 minutes and you can see they are bright and green. And these are exactly how I want them to be, a very nice, crisp, tender. I'm going to transfer them to a serving bowl and then we're going to dress them up a little bit. Alright, they're in a nice serving bowl, big enough so I can toss them around a little bit. I do like to add just a little bit of fat to them. You don't have to do this, but I do. I am going to add 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil right onto it. If you don't want to use the olive oil, you can use a tablespoon of melted butter or even 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Or you could use some ghee, whatever you like. And now I've got a fresh lemon wedge. I'm just going to squeeze that over there to get a little bit of tartness on them. And now I have 1/4 cup of slivered almonds. You can use sliced almonds. You can toast the almonds too if you want. And now you don't have to, but you can add just a little bit of salt. Anywhere from 1/4 of a teaspoon to 1/2 teaspoon. It's according to your liking. That was not very much salt on there, even though it may have looked like it. And I'm just going to give it a quick toss. And it's very simple. Now if you want to add some other flavorings to it, you can add some garlic, you can add some basil, you can add some parsley. So there we go. I'm going to give one a taste. Simple, yet delicious. The recipe is below in the description box. Do give this a try sometime and let me know how it works for you. This is Judi at Judi in the Kitchen. Bye for now.